Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Okay, so what we will need next to the phone is the SIM ejection tool. And as you have opened the box, there is another small box in here. So this one, where has been the case inside. And if you open it like this, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just remove the paper wings like this and remove it like this. Yeah. Otherwise, if you don't have it, maybe, or you cannot find it, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray, there's a small hole in there. And with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Yeah, what is very nice here on the SIM tray is that you're able to insert two SIM cards next to a microSD card. So if you want, you can extend the internal storage and you can have two SIM cards at the same time. Very nice. Let us start now with the first SIM card, so with the main SIM card. It has always here the position in the middle. So missing corner and missing corner here. And the contacts are below. Okay. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card here on the outside. So in that position here. Also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. Yeah. And as I said, you can also extend with a microSD card this internal storage like this. So it's very tiny, so be careful that nothing jumps out. It looks like this. And the contacts are below, as you know, as you can imagine. Okay, and after, you can put your construction back into the phone, like this. Shake a bit and take care that nothing jumps out. And close it well. Okay, yeah. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.